PractiTest online training. What is PractiTest and how can it improve your test management process? PractiTest is a cloud-based test management platform that enables teams to plan, manage, and track their testing processes efficiently. It provides a centralized hub for test case management, bug tracking, and reporting, integrating seamlessly with automation tools and CI/CD pipelines. PractiTest supports manual, exploratory, and automated testing, making it a flexible solution for teams of all sizes. How can PractiTest improve your test management process? Centralized test management provides a single repository for all test cases, ensuring organization and easy access. Allows teams to reuse test cases across multiple projects, reducing redundancy. Seamless integration with testing and DevOps tools. Integrates with Jira, Selenium, Jenkins, GitHub, TestRail, and more for end-to-end traceability. Supports API-based integrations for custom workflows. Enhanced collaboration and visibility. Offers real-time dashboards and reports for better decision-making. Enables team members to comment, share insights, and assign tasks within the platform. End-to-end traceability and compliance. Ensures full traceability from requirements to defects with linked test cases and results. Helps maintain compliance with industry standards such as ISO, HIPAA, and FDA. Automated and manual testing support. Allows execution of both manual and automated tests from a unified interface. Supports continuous testing by integrating with CI/CD pipelines. AI-powered insights and smart reporting. Uses AI-driven analytics to identify trends, failures, and areas of improvement. Provides customizable reports for tracking test progress and coverage. Scalability and customization. Suitable for small teams to enterprise organizations. Offers customizable fields, workflows, and automation rules to fit unique testing needs. How to set up and configure your PractiTest environment. 1. Account setup and initial configuration. Sign up and log in. If you don't have an account, sign up at PractiTest. Log in using your credentials. Create a project. Navigate to Settings, Projects. Click New Project and enter project details, name, description, and settings. Assign users and configure access rights. 2. User management and permissions. Adding users. Go to Settings, Users and Teams. Click Invite New User, enter their email, and assign roles. User roles include Admin full access. Tester can create and execute tests. Viewer read-only access. Defining roles and permissions. Configure custom roles under Settings, Roles and Permissions. Set up granular access for test creation, execution, and reporting. 3. Customizing the workflow. Configure fields and filters. Navigate to Settings, Fields to add custom fields for test cases, issues, and requirements. Use filters to create custom views and organize data. Define test workflow. Set custom statuses for test cases, runs, and issues. Configure pass-fail criteria and automation triggers. 4. Integrations and API setup. Integrate with bug tracking tools. Connect PractiTest with tools like Jira, Azure DevOps, and GitHub. Go to Settings, Integrations and follow the setup instructions. CI/CD integration. Integrate with Jenkins or other CI/CD pipelines using PractiTest API. Enable automated test runs and reporting. Test automation integration. Link PractiTest with Selenium, TestRail, or Postman for automated test execution. How to create and manage test cases in PractiTest efficiently? Creating and managing test cases efficiently in PractiTest involves a structured approach to organizing, executing, and maintaining your test cases. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you optimize this process. 1. Creating test cases in PractiTest. Step 1. Navigate to the test library. Log into PractiTest. Go to the Test Library module. Click on New Test. Step 2. Define test case details. Name. Provide a descriptive title. Type. Choose between manual or automated test. Description. Add an overview of the test case. Preconditions. List any necessary requirements. Test steps. Break down actions into clear steps. Expected results. Define the outcome for each step. Step 3. Add custom fields. Utilize custom fields for tagging priority, component, or environment. Define linked requirements to track traceability. Step 4. Organize with folders and filters. Create folders to categorize test cases by functionality or module. Use custom filters to quickly retrieve relevant test cases. 2. Managing test cases effectively. Step 1. Version control and reusability. Update test cases as the application evolves. Use the cloning feature for similar test cases to avoid redundancy. Utilize parameterization to reuse tests across multiple data sets. Step 2. Test execution and results tracking. Move test cases into a test set to execute them systematically. Run tests and mark status as passed, failed, blocked, not run. Attach screenshots, logs, or comments for detailed tracking. Step 3. Linking to defects and requirements. If a test fails, create a linked defect directly from the test run. Maintain traceability by linking test cases to requirements and user stories. What are PractiTest test sets and how to organize them for maximum efficiency? What are PractiTest test sets? PractiTest test sets are collections of test cases grouped together based on specific criteria, such as functionality, priority, sprint, or release. These test sets help teams execute and manage tests efficiently by organizing related test cases into logical batches. Each test set in PractiTest includes test instances, individual test cases within the set. Execution status, the real-time progress of test execution. Assignments, designation of testers responsible for running tests. Scheduling and automation, integration with automation tools for scheduled or continuous testing. How to organize test sets for maximum efficiency. To ensure efficient test execution and better traceability, follow these best practices. 1. Categorize test sets by purpose. Functional test sets group tests based on features or modules. Regression test sets organize recurring tests that validate existing functionality. Smoke sanity test sets include high-priority tests that verify critical workflows. Performance and security test sets separate test sets for non-functional testing. UAT test sets tests designed for user acceptance and validation. 2. Align with the development cycle. Create sprint-based test sets for agile teams. Organize release-based test sets to track progress over multiple versions. Maintain defect-driven test sets for issue validation and fixes. 3. Use dynamic test sets. PractiTest allows the creation of dynamic test sets, which update automatically based on predefined filters. For example, tests tagged with high priority can be dynamically added to an urgent test set. 4. Leverage test set prioritization. Critical path first. Execute high-risk test sets early. Parallel execution. Assign different test sets to multiple testers for faster execution. Automated versus manual. Separate automated and manual test sets to streamline execution. 5. Track execution and reporting. Use PractiTest dashboards to monitor test progress. Generate reports to analyze pass-fail rates, trends, and blockers. Identify bottlenecks and reassign test cases accordingly. How to execute manual and automated tests in PractiTest. PractiTest is a comprehensive test management tool that allows users to execute both manual and automated tests efficiently. Here's how you can do both. Executing manual tests in PractiTest. Log into PractiTest. Access your PractiTest account and navigate to the Test Execution section. Go to the Test Library. Click on the Test Library module to find the test case you want to execute. Select a test case. Choose the test case from the list and click Run to begin execution. Execute test steps. Follow the test steps as defined. Mark each step as passed, failed, or blocked depending on the outcome. Add comments, screenshots, or attachments if needed. Log defects if necessary. If the test fails, you can log a defect directly from the execution screen. The defect can be linked to the failed test case for traceability. Submit and save execution results. Once all steps are executed, click Save and Exit to record the test execution results. Executing automated tests in PractiTest. PractiTest integrates with automation tools like Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, Jenkins, and more. Using API to integrate automated tests. Set up API integration. PractiTest provides a REST API that allows automated test results to be uploaded. Generate an API token from account settings. Execute automated test suite. Run the automation script using your test framework, example Selenium, JUnit, TestNG. Capture test execution results. How to track and manage defects in PractiTest effectively. Tracking and managing defects effectively in PractiTest requires a structured approach to ensure visibility, traceability, and efficient resolution. Below are the best practices to streamline defect management in PractiTest. 1. Set up a clear defect workflow. Define a workflow that aligns with your development and testing process. Use custom fields to capture necessary defect details such as severity, priority, module, and affected versions. Configure status transitions to reflect your defect life cycle. Example, open in progress, fixed, retested, closed. 2. Log defects with detailed information. Ensure each defect entry includes title, a concise, descriptive name. Description, steps to reproduce, expected versus actual results. Attachments, screenshots, logs, or videos for clarity. Environment details, browser, OS, application version, etc. Link tests. Associate the defect with failed test cases for context. 3. Use filters and views for efficient tracking. Create custom views to track defects by priority, module, or assignee. Use filters to monitor defects specific to a project phase. Example, critical defects in UAT. Apply saved queries to quickly access recurring reports. 4. Link defects to test cases and requirements. Establish traceability by linking defects to test cases, failed executions, requirements to assess impact. User stories for better tracking in agile projects. 5. Automate notifications and assignments. Set up email notifications to alert team members when defects are assigned, updated, or resolved. Use automated assignments based on defect category or module to direct issues to the right team members. 6. Integrate with external tools. Sync PractiTest with Jira, Azure DevOps, or other defect management systems to maintain a unified defect tracking process. Utilize API integrations to connect with automation frameworks for automatic defect logging. 7. Generate reports and dashboards. Use real-time dashboards to track defect trends, resolution times, and defect density. Schedule periodic reports, example, weekly defect summary, to share insights with stakeholders. Analyze root causes using defect metrics to identify recurring issues. What are the best practices for collaboration and workflow management in PractiTest? PractiTest is a comprehensive test management tool that facilitates collaboration and workflow management among QA teams. Here are some best practices for optimizing collaboration and workflow management in PractiTest. 1. Structured workflow management. Define testing processes. Establish a clear testing workflow. Example, test case creation, execution, defect tracking. Use custom fields and filters. Create custom fields and filters to categorize and track tests, issues, and requirements effectively. Workflow automation. Automate repetitive tasks using built-in workflow automation features. 2. Effective collaboration. Role-based access control. RBAC assign user roles, tester, developer, QA manager, to ensure proper access and responsibilities. Real-time updates and notifications. Configure email notifications and dashboards to keep stakeholders informed. Integration with DevOps tools. Connect PractiTest with Jira, Azure DevOps, or other issue tracking and CI/CD tools for seamless collaboration. 3. Test case management best practices. Reusable test cases. Create reusable test cases to maintain consistency and reduce redundancy. Parameterized tests. Use parameterization to run the same test with different data sets. Traceability links. Link test cases to requirements and issues for complete traceability. 4. Efficient defect tracking and reporting. Centralized issue management. Log defects directly in PractiTest or sync them with external bug tracking tools. Custom reports and dashboards. Generate detailed reports on test execution, defects, and overall project progress. Root cause analysis. Analyze defect trends to improve future testing efforts. 5. Continuous improvement. Retrospective analysis. Conduct post-test reviews to analyze what worked and what needs improvement. Historical data utilization. Use past test execution data to identify patterns and optimize test strategies. Process standardization. Maintain best practices across teams by documenting workflows and guidelines. Why choose ProExcellency for PractiTest online training? ProExcellency is a reputable training provider known for its comprehensive online courses tailored to industry needs. While specific details about their PractiTest online training program are limited, here are some general reasons why you might consider choosing ProExcellency for your training needs. Positive reviews. ProExcellency has received favorable feedback from participants. For instance, on Glassdoor, the company holds a 4.1 out of 5 rating, with 81% of reviewers recommending it to a friend. Reviews highlight timely salary payments, a positive work environment, and effective training programs. Glassdoor.co.in. Diverse course offerings. The Institute provides training in various domains, including SAP, data science, and Oracle. This diversity indicates a broad expertise that can be beneficial for comprehensive learning. UrbanPro.com. Experienced trainers. Feedback from trainees suggests that ProExcellency employs knowledgeable trainers who deliver content effectively, enhancing the learning experience. UrbanPro.com. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers both online and in-person classes, providing flexibility to learners to choose a mode that best suits their schedule and learning preferences. UrbanPro.com. Commitment to quality. The Institute emphasizes providing quality services and is equipped with subject experts to ensure that candidates gain in-depth knowledge in their chosen fields. Thank you.